This is an unboxing video of the currently rare and newly released Patek Philippe Nautilus 5990. Visit my channel for a review of this watch and other quality watch reviews. Most new Patek Philippe watches have similar style packaging, so this video can also be viewed as a general unboxing video for the brand and not specifically for this particular model. Before we move on to the main wooden box, Patek Philippe's come with these small shipping boxes that make it convenient to safely store. The longer box is used for watches with leather straps, and the other is used for watches with bracelets, in this case specifically for the 5990. Moving on to the main box, it is encased with a soft cloth with the company emblem. The box itself feels, smells, and sounds of quality. For example, the hinge is smooth and there are no squeaky noises when you open and close it. The box is surprisingly heavy, has metal feet, and it is made of polished wood, making it appear very glossy and exquisite. The tool used for the pusher button can be stored conveniently inside the center cushion to the watch. You can really tell that Patek Philippe have considered every detail because even the tool used to adjust the date looks and feels of quality. The instruction manual, some leaflets, and the official certificate is stored underneath the box in a nice leather folder. Regarding the certificate, Patek Philippe only makes one copy per watch, so make sure you take care of it because they will not, under any circumstances, issue another one. Despite being only a box, I have to say it is one of the nicest I've seen. I think it matches Patek Philippe's brand and image very well. If you enjoyed this unboxing, please hit the like button and or share this video, and subscribe if you want to be notified when I release my next video. Have a good day. Bye.